the logical thing for Manny is to fight manageable. That's the right adjective, manageable opponents. For him to at least find his groove as a boxer. Now that he has full attention of being an athlete again. But with an outcome like this, there's bound to be a clamor for a rematch between Manny Pacquiao and Mario Barrios. And let's be honest, this isn't Manny's first brush with controversy inside the ring. Think back to
Oh
the
yeah.
first Timothy Bradley fight, the Jeff Horn bout, and even the initial showdown with Juan Manuel Marquez. And sure, Team Pacquiao has grounds to have the Nevada State Athletic Commission to take a closer look. But if there's one thing we know about Manny, is that he doesn't dwell. He moves forward, and all signs point to a second encounter being more of a matter of when than if.